Okay, I'm back. Here's the fish I got. Big one. Sheepshead. Look at his teeth. Yeah. That's why they call him sheepshead, I think. He's got those big, weird looking teeth. Alright, these are probably the hardest fish to clean. So I'm going to try to take my time because these fish taste like crab. Because that's all they do is eat crab. So I'm going to try my hardest, my best, to show you guys how I clean it. And hopefully I get some good fillets. And as you can see, they're tough. I mean, this is an electric knife. I want to show you the difference. Put him back in there. Here's a trout. Now you see how easy that was? So that's a trout. That's how you clean a trout. So pretty much the same way I'm going to do this. So, I mean, that was a piece of cake, right? Now we're going to try this guy. And this guy, 21 inches, about 5 pounds probably. You really want to try to get all the meat you can off of these things, because I'm telling you, they taste just like crab, so that's what they eat. Now I'm going to do my best, and I'm going to do it nice and slow. No speed record here. I really want to get all the meat I can get off of this bad boy. So I'm going to go right down his spine. Here we go. Trying it again. Remember that trout I just did in about a minute? Yeah. This ain't gonna be a minute. Still trying to get down the spine. Once I get down to the spine, I'm going to go right in the middle of this and then go straight down the tail. See what happens. Okay. All right, back down the rib cage. This side. I use an electric knife because I'm telling you, a regular fillet knife, it just ain't gonna work. These things are the toughest fish on earth. If I was gonna have a gang, I wouldn't want them to be on this. I'm gonna try a little bit with this fillet knife. Only because I don't want to cut too much in the meat. Yeah. Okay, come through his belly area. Got on the other side of that rib. Down to his fin. I did a pretty good job on that side. Now let's see if I can get the rest of this meat off. It's all that's all bone. It's crazy. I'm already cutting into his skin, trying to get more meat off of them. It's like a shoulder. This is like a shoulder of a cow, basically. And you got to go right down the rib cage. And there you go. One big old hunk of meat. All right. Now I'm going to try to skin that with this fillet knife after I wash my hands. Try to get the rest of this off. I mean, folks, look how tough this thing is. It's just crazy. Okay, that's it right there. Now the other piece, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave on this, and then I'm going to cook it tonight for you guys tonight and show you how to cook it on grill. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the other piece, and then we're cooking that tonight. Pull out.